The 2017 Dolphin Triton Plus with PowerStream robotic swimming pool cleaner is a beast. It is pricey, but it has the features to justify the price tag. Every feature from the filter system to the smart navigational software has been designed for maximum performance. The Dolphin Triton Plus will thoroughly clean your swimming pool while consuming as little energy as possible. Maytronics calls it PowerStream. It is designed specifically to improve the robot's vertical climbing ability, thus allowing it to easily reach and clean the wall and waterline. Overall, the Dolphin Triton Plus with PowerStream gets an A+ in cleaning ability. It handles the floor like a piece of cake, scrubs the walls clean in no time, and leaves no spot untouched on the stairs. The addition of Bluetooth remote control is one of the most unique features of the Dolphin Triton Plus. Most robotic pool cleaners with a remote control use a dedicated special-purpose handheld remote. But with the new Dolphin Triton Plus, you just use your smartphone. To connect and control the cleaner, install the My Dolphin app. It's available for both iOS and Android. One of the features that got an upgrade was the swivel cable. The engineers had something even better in mind. They created algorithms that are able to keep the cable from tangling as the Dolphin does its work. The automatic weekly timer is very convenient. You can go about your work away from home, confident that your pool will be cleaned regularly, ready for use at any time. The basket is really big, much bigger than you'd typically find on a compact robot cleaner like this one. To access it, you simply lift the top cover and the basket handle springs upward. You then lift it out and clean it. A bottom panel opens downwards to allow collected leaves and debris to fall out. The downside of this product is that it's pricey. Costing over $1,000, this is not a budget cleaner, and some users say the controller app needs more work. To conclude, the Dolphin Triton Plus with PowerStream is not cheap, but I still highly recommend it. I see it as an investment, not an expense. You spend a lot of money on your pool, wouldn't you want to maintain it the best way possible? This is exactly what the Dolphin Triton Plus does. It also saves you time and energy while keeping the pool in top shape.